when we chose Disperse, we decided to, I would dare say, choose the best. Hi, my name is Cel Gaston. I am the head coach of the JARC Academy of the JARC Group of Companies. The JARC Group is engaged in the business of distributing diagnostic medical devices or medical diagnostic devices in the health industry. So we particularly supply to hospitals, healthcare centers, research centers, and most of the people engaged in the industry of healthcare. The core things that Disperse provides currently to us is the accessibility of learning materials, learning engagement, which is one of the more difficult aspects of making people go to learning platforms, and the ability to have accurate records and reports to see if our learning approaches are working or are applicable to the current situations or the products that we sell. The best feature that I've seen, and I've been a corporate trainer for several decades now, the best feature I've seen is the artifacts. For those who are already Disperse users, they know what I'm talking about. The company usually have a dozen, maybe 100 learning modules on the platform, but when we say artifacts, Disperse has an available of about 600,000 plus artifacts of different forms, videos, documents, PDFs, charts, you name it, it's there. The great thing about it is our users have access to it and can go beyond the learning requirement that we impose on them. They can go through their own learning journey just by looking into the 600,000 plus items in the artifacts, which is fantastic. Disperse allowed us to solve the problems of having learning materials in different places where it's accessible but difficult to access them. Once we found the repository of the learning materials in one place, in one application, it became easier to organize the learning materials that we have. The learning materials that we have now and the learning materials that we were able to collect, obtain, and archive even as far back as 20 years ago. For a learner, or in the perspective of a learner, if the look and feel is not engaging, you will not dare touch it, or you will not even look at it. For the perspective of those managing the learning management system, it's vital for us to make sure that there's adoption. People are using it. Again, how do people use it? It has to be engaging. That's why we chose the most engaging learning platform that we've seen when several companies have proposed to us.